Welcome to the lecture number 8 of compiler design. So in this lecture we will solve some examples on fast and follow. So as I have already told you, the fast and follow will assist in determining to use which production out of many productions. So it is very important to understand fast and follow before going to top down parsing and bottom up parsing, right? So let us go through the first example. So first let me compute the fast of all the non-terminals. Next I will compute the follow of all the non-terminals. Okay. So while computing this I will start from the bottom. Right. So first let me compute the fast. So fast of A. So while computing the fast, what I have told you that you start with a non-terminal whose right hand side started with a terminal as well as epsilon, right? So if epsilon is absent or terminal is absent, no problem, but you have to start from that. So otherwise you can say that you can start from the bottom, right? So fast of A. So while computing fast of A, what we have to see? We have to check in which production A is present on the left hand side. So there are three productions. A gives to CD, A gives to EF, A gives to epsilon. So here what I will write fast of CD. So CD you see, C is a terminal because it's a small letter C. Union fast of EF union fast of epsilon. So what you will get fast of CD means it has started with a terminal. Terminal means the terminal will be there in the first. So C will be there. Union fast of EF. Here also you see it has started with a terminal E. So you will have E in the first of EF. So union fast of A gives to epsilon means epsilon will be there. So epsilon. So what is the fast of A? Fast of A is nothing but C E epsilon. Next let me compute the fast of S. Fast of S is nothing but fast of A B. So here you see it started with a terminal. So what you will have? You will have the terminal as the fast of S. So I hope all of you have understood it. Now let me go through computing the follow. So while computing the follow, what we have to do? We have to start from the start symbol. So first I will compute the follow of S. So follow of S. So follow of S. So follow of start symbol always contains dollar. So here it will contain a dollar. Next, I have to look at the production whose right hand side contains S. So while computing the fast, we are looking at the production whose left hand side contains that symbol. Whereas while computing follow, what we are looking at? We are looking at the productions whose right hand side contains that symbol. So here you see there is no production whose right hand side contains S. So follow of S will be only dollar. Now let me compute follow of A. So follow of A means which production I have to look at? I have to look at the productions whose right hand side contains A. So here you see this is the production whose right hand side contains A. Right? So follow of A is nothing but first of remaining. So after A what is there? It's only B. So first of B. So first of B means it's a terminal. Terminal means what I will do? It will be there in the follow of A. So follow of S is dollar, follow of A is B. So I hope all of you have understood how to compute fast and follow. So now let me go through another example. So here let me compute the fast and follow of all the terminals. Okay, sorry, all the non-terminals. So I want all of you to solve it. Then I will solve it. Then we will verify whether we both are correct or not. Okay. So I will give you 1 minute of time to compute the fast of all the non-terminals. So you first compute fast of B, then compute fast of A, then compute fast of S. So please be fast. So I will give you 1 minute time to compute it. So you please compute it. So it's dead easy. I hope all of you have computed it. So let me first write the first of B. First of B. What is the first of B? Can anyone tell me? What is the
D and epsilon.
very good. So first of B is D and epsilon. Absolutely correct. So you have to look at this production whose left hand side contains B. So there is a production B gives to D. So from that you will get D. There is another production B gives to epsilon. From that you will get epsilon. Similarly, the first of A is nothing but C epsilon. Now similarly, the first of S. So it has started with a terminal A. So here it will you will get A. Now let me ask you the follow of the non-terminals. So first whose follow we will compute? First we will compute the follow of S. So what is the follow of S? So initially it will contain dollar. Next we have to look at the productions whose right hand side contains S. So here its right hand side doesn't contain S, doesn't contain S, doesn't contain S. So follow of S is dollar. Now let me compute the follow of A. So follow of A means what I have to look at? I have to look at the production whose right hand side contains A. So which production's right hand side contains A? So this production's A, B, B. This production's right hand side contains A. So follow of A is nothing but first of rest. So first I have to compute first of B, B. So first of B, B. So if first of BB contains epsilon, so first of BB is nothing but first I will compute first of B. So here you see first of B contains epsilon. Then what you will do? First of BB minus epsilon union first of rest. So first of small b. So after capital B, what is there? Small b. So that's why I have done. I have computed the first of capital B minus epsilon union first of small b. So here what you will get? First of B minus epsilon. So here you will get D. So first of B is D epsilon. So out of that, if I will subtract the epsilon, then I will have D. Union first of small b. So what you will get? You will get B. So I hope all of you have understood how I have computed follow of A, D, B. Now you have to compute the follow of B. So follow B means which production you will look? The production whose right hand side contains a B. So you see in this production B is not present on the right hand side. In these productions B is not present on the right hand side, but in this production B is present on the right hand side. So S gives to A, B, B. So now while computing follow of B, what you have to do? You have to compute the first of lowercase b. So first of, it is nothing but first of rest, that is first of B. So first of B is a terminal, so first of B will contain only B. So the follow of B is nothing but follow only B, lowercase b. So I hope all of you have also got this much, right? So now let me go through the next example. So I want you to solve this one by yourself. First compute the first. So I will give you 30 seconds to compute the first. So while computing first, we will first compute from the bottom. So first I will compute first of B, then I will compute first of A, then I will compute first of S. So all of you please compute it by yourself, then I will verify. So I hope all of you have computed. Let me first write down the first of B. What is the first of B? Anyone?
Epsilon.
Yes, first of B is epsilon. Very good. Similarly, first of A is also epsilon. Now what is the first of S? It's nothing but first of A, B union first of B, A, right? So first of A, B means what you will do? That first you will compute first of A. Next, if first of A contains epsilon, then what you will do? First of A minus epsilon union first of rest. So you see first of A contains epsilon. So here what I will write? First of A minus epsilon union first of B union. For this one what you will do? First of B okay, let me erase it. Okay, just taking a bit of time. Okay, okay, let me write over here. So first of B minus epsilon union first of B A. So here what you will get? First of A minus epsilon is 5 because first of A contains only epsilon minus epsilon you will get 5. Union first of A B. So it started with a terminal, so you will get A. Union first of B minus epsilon. So first of B is epsilon, so epsilon minus epsilon you will get 5. So 5. Union first of B A. So it started with a terminal, so you will get B. So you will get B. So what you have got? You have got A, B. I hope all of you have understood how to compute first. Okay. So now let me compute the follow. So let me compute the follow over here. So first what I will do? I will compute follow of S. Follow of S. So follow of S, the start symbol will always contain dollar. So follow of S has contained dollar. Now I have to look at the production where S is present on the right hand side. So here you see in all these productions S is not present on the right hand side. So follow of S is only dollar. Now let me compute follow of A. Follow of A. So while computing follow of A, which production I have to look? I have to look at the production whose right hand side contains A. So you see this production right hand side contains A. So what I will do? So here follow of for this A. Follow of A equal to I will compute first of rest. That is first of A B union. For this A, I will compute first of rest means after this A, what are the symbols? It's small b. So union first of B. So what I will get? First of A, B, it has started with a terminal. So here you will get A. So from first of B, you will get B. So follow of A will contain A, B. Now similarly, all of you please compute follow of B. Then I will ask you. So you take 20 seconds and compute follow of B. Okay, all of you have computed follow of B. Now you tell me first what I have to write. So follow B means this production you have to look at. S gives to B, right? So while computing follow B, what do you have to see? So you have to see the B on the right hand side. So here you see, here you are having a B. So what you will do? You have to compute first of B A. So first of B, B, A. Union, here you see there is another B. For this B, how will you compute the first? So for this first of remaining, that is first of A. So first of A. So what you will get? From here you have got B, from here you have got A. So the follow of B is B comma A. So I hope all of you have got this much, and I hope all of you have understood how to compute first and follow. Next, let me go through the next example. Okay. So now all of you please compute the first and follow of this grammar. So first I will compute the first. So first I will compute first of D. So all of you please write the question and compute first of D, first of C, first of B. It's pretty easy, right? First of A and first of S. So I will give you 1 minute time to compute this. So all of you please do it. What is first of D? I want answers from your side.
C and F.
C and epsilon. Yeah, absolutely correct. So similarly, the first of C will contain B epsilon. First of B will contain A epsilon. First of A will contain A comma B. First of S will contain Q. I hope all of you have got this much. If you haven't got this much, please respond back to me so that I will explain how you have got this much. All of you have got this much?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will compute follow. Okay. So first I will compute follow of S. So all of you please compute follow of S. So follow of start symbol will contain dollar.
Dollar.
Okay. So there is no production which contains S on the right hand side. So follow of S will be dollar only. Now we will compute follow of A. So follow of A means what you have to see? You have to see the productions whose right hand side contains A. So here you see this is the production whose right hand side contains A. So what you will do? Follow of A equal to first of remaining, that is first of BC. So first of BC. So first of BC means what you have to do? You have to check first of B first. If first of B contains epsilon or not. Here you see first of B contains epsilon. So what you will do? You will do first of B minus epsilon union first of C. Okay. So first of B minus epsilon is A. Union C means B epsilon. So B epsilon. So what you will get? You will get A B epsilon. Okay. No, here you see, here you have to do one more thing. So here, let me erase it a bit. Okay. Let me erase it a bit. Erase. So let me erase it. So here what you will get, follow of first of C. So first of C contains epsilon. So what you will do here also, you have to do first of C. So let me go through the ink. Okay. So first of C minus epsilon. So first of C again contains epsilon. So what you will do? First of C minus epsilon. So first of C minus epsilon union. I have already told you, if you are getting a epsilon over here, so what you will do? You will include the follow of S. So union follow of S. So A union first of C minus epsilon is B. Union follow of S is dollar. So here you will get dollar. So now what you will get in follow of A? You will get A, B and dollar. Now let me compute the follow of B. Follow of B. So follow of B means what you will do? You have to look at the production whose right hand side contains B. So here you see, this is the production. So follow of B means first of rest means first of C, and you have to check whether first of C contains epsilon or not. You see first of C contains epsilon. So what you will do? You will do first of C minus epsilon union. So after C is the last symbol. So what you will do? You will have to add the follow of S. Okay. So union follow of S. So first of C minus epsilon is B. Union follow of S is dollar. So what you will get? You will get B and dollar. Now we will compute follow of C. So you have to look at the production where C appears on the right hand side. So in this production only C appears on the right hand side. So follow of C means here you see after that there is nothing. Nothing means there is epsilon. Okay. So first of epsilon minus epsilon it's phi. Union you have to go to the back. Union follow of S. So first of C is nothing but follow of S. So that you will get a dollar over here. Right. Now let me compute the follow of D. So let me compute it over here. Follow of D. So follow of D means I have to look at the production whose right hand side contains D. So there is a production A gives to B, B, D. So D appears at the end. So after that what you have? You have epsilon. So first of epsilon minus epsilon is phi. Union follow of A. So here you have to do follow of A. So follow of D is nothing but follow of A. So follow of A means what you will get? A, B, dollar. So I hope all of you have understood how to compute first and follow in this example. Is there any doubt? Okay, no doubt. Let's go to the next example. Now you have to compute the first and follow for this example. So I want all of you to compute the first. Then we will go through the follow. Then I will verify, then we will go through follow. So first you will compute first of C. Then you will compute first of B. Then you will compute first of A. Then you will compute first of S. So it's that easy, right? So first of C is, I hope all of you have got G. What is first of B? I want answers from your side.
BF.
Yes. B and F. Very good. What is first of A? It's that easy. So here you will get A from this production, and from this what you will get? Union first of A, D. So here you are computing the first of A. So first of A contains itself. So here you will get only A. If first of A contains epsilon, then what you will do? First of A minus epsilon union first of D. But here A doesn't contain epsilon, so you will not get anything. So you will get A. Next, first of S. First of S is nothing but first of A. So first of S is nothing but first of A. So first of A is A. So you have got A. Now let us compute the follow. So first what we will do? First we will compute follow of S. What is the follow of S? I want answers from your side.
dollar,
Very good. So follow of S is dollar. Now can you tell me what is the follow of A? So you have to look at the production whose right hand side contains A. So you will look at the production S gives to A. So in this production A appears at the end. So follow of A equal to follow of S. So follow of S. So here you see A in this production A appears on the right hand side. So follow of A equal to first of remaining. So first of remaining what is that? D. So union first of D. So here you will get dollar from follow of S, and from first of D you will get D. Now let me compute follow of B. I want your answer. Follow of B. So you have to look at this production. So can you tell me for this production what will be follow of B? I want answers from your side. Very good. So here you will get follow of A. So here you will get follow of A. Union. Here you see there is another production. B gives to BBC. So here can you tell me what will be the follow of B? So after B what is there? C is there. So what do you have to do? Follow B equal to first of C. Follow B equal to first of C. So follow of A equal to dollar D. First of C equal to G. So here you will get C. Now let me compute follow of C. So follow of C means which production you have to look at? You have to look at this production. Follow of B gives to BBC. So here follow of C appears at the end. So follow of C equal to follow of B. So it is equal to follow of B. So you will get dollar D. So I hope all of you have understood how to compute first and follow for this example. Next, let me go through another example. I want all of you to compute the first for this one, then we will go through computing follow. So first computing is dead easy. So first of F. What you will get? I want answers from your side.
F and epsilon,
Very good. F and epsilon. First of E. What you will get?
G epsilon,
G
and epsilon,
Yes, absolutely correct. First of D. So here you have to do first of EF, right? So here you have to do first of EF. So there are two non-terminals. So first you have to compute first of E. Whether first of E contains epsilon or not. Yes, it contains epsilon. So what you will do? You will do first of E minus epsilon union first of F. So first of E minus epsilon you will get G over here. First of F is F epsilon. So here you will get F epsilon. So you will get G F epsilon. Now let me go through first of C. First of C is dead easy. You will get B and epsilon. Next, let me go through first of B. First of B is also dead easy, you will get small c. Next, you will go through first of S. It is also dead easy, you will get A. Now let me compute the follow. I hope all of you have understood the first. Is there any doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, first of D रे calculate करा है season first of F task तो F भी contain करू छे
Epsilon, very good question. So now here you see, here also while computing first of F, here F contains epsilon, there is absolutely no problem, very good question. So here you see, first of F, what we can do for this, we can do first of F minus epsilon union first of rest, right? So first of rest means after EF, what is there? Nothing means you can put an epsilon. So what you will get? First of epsilon. So first of F minus epsilon. So what you will get? First of F minus epsilon, you will get F union first of rest. In the rest you have an epsilon. So again you will get the epsilon. So here you will get F epsilon. That's why instead of subtracting epsilon and making union epsilon again, I haven't done this. Now I hope you are clear. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good question. Okay. Next we will compute the follow. Right? So we will compute the follow. First we will compute follow of S. What is the follow of S? Follow of start symbol always contains dollar, right? So now we have to see whether S appears on the right hand side. No, S doesn't appear on the right hand side, so follow of S will be dollar. Next we will compute follow of B. So what is follow of B? We have to look at the productions whose right hand side contains B. So this is a production whose right hand side contains B. So what you will do? So it is not the last symbol. So what you will do? You will compute the first of DH. So you will compute first of DH. And you check first of DH contains epsilon. So first of DH means first of D minus epsilon union first of H. So first of D contains epsilon. So first of D minus epsilon. Here you see first of D contains epsilon. Okay. That's why I am doing first of D minus epsilon union first of H. So first of D minus epsilon is GF. First of H is H. So you will get GFH. Next let me compute follow of C. So follow of C means I have to look at the productions whose right hand side contains C. So here it contains C. So follow of C equal to follow of B. Here it contains C on the right hand side. So follow of C equal to follow of C. So follow of B union follow of C. So follow of C will be as it is. So follow of B, what you have? GFH. This one. So you will have G, F and H. Right? Next we will compute follow of D. Follow of D. So what is follow of D? Follow of D means you have to look at the productions whose right hand side contains D. Here you see, here you are having a D on the right hand side. So follow of D is nothing but first of remaining. So what is the remaining? So first of H. After D you are having H. Okay. So first of H doesn't contain epsilon. So you will not subtract it. So it will be first of H, which is nothing but H. Okay. Now similarly you can compute follow of E. Follow of E. What is the follow of E? You have to look at the productions whose right hand side contains E. So here you see this is the production whose right hand side contains E. So follow of E is nothing but first of F, and we have to see whether first of F contains epsilon or not. So first of F contains epsilon. No, we have first of F. Yes, first of f contains epsilon. So what we will do? We will do first of f minus epsilon. So now here you see we are getting the end of the production. So again it will do union follow of D. So union follow of D. So first of f minus epsilon. What is first of f? F epsilon minus epsilon means you will get f only. F union follow of D. What is follow of D? Follow of D is H. So you will get H. So totally you will get F and H. Okay, right? Now let me compute the follow of F. Follow of F equal to, so where F is present on the right hand side in this production, right? So F appears at the end, so follow of F is nothing but follow of D. So which is equal to follow of D. So follow of D is nothing but H. So you will get H. So I hope all of you have understood how to compute fast and follow. So if you have forgotten the algorithm, please go to the previous lecture so that you can recall the algorithm, then we can apply this. So I hope all of you have understood.